Congratulations on your purchase of the eero Outdoor 7. We think you're going to love it. To install the eero Outdoor 7 on Stucco, you'll use the mounting bracket, stainless steel screws and drywall anchors, and of course the eero Outdoor 7. You may also need one 30-watt outdoor PoE Plus power adapter, which may be sold separately. To install your eero Outdoor 7, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a pencil or marker, power drill and drill bit, and most likely a ladder or step stool. You'll also need an existing eero network. If you don't have one, hit pause and head over to eero.com to find your ideal whole home Wi-Fi solution. If you have an eero network, the package contents, and tools required, we can start the installation process. The first step is determining how you're connecting to your network. If you're connecting to the network with a wired connection, skip ahead a little. If you're connecting to your eero network wirelessly, you'll need to have the AC adapter. If this is not included in your box, please contact eero customer service. Before mounting your eero Outdoor 7, check for Wi-Fi connectivity in your desired location. Plug your eero into an outdoor outlet via the AC adapter and add it to your eero network. After confirming the eero Outdoor 7 has been connected, proceed to the next step. If you're connecting your network directly via Power over Ethernet, make sure the Ethernet cable being used is round, rated for outdoor use, and is long enough to reach your desired location. To power your eero, plug it into a PoE Plus switch or injector. Once you connect your eero Outdoor 7 to your existing eero network, the eero app will automatically add it to your network. If it isn't added automatically, the app will detect that an eero device is ready to be added, and then prompt you to add it to the network. After confirming the eero Outdoor 7 has been connected, proceed to the next step. To ensure the device can function properly, you'll want to mount your eero Outdoor 7 between 6 and 15 feet high, and without any obstructions. Make sure you leave at least 1 foot above the desired location to have room to slide it onto the mounting bracket. And mount it at least 1 foot above any surface where water may pool. For your safety and the eero device's longevity, consider the following guidelines prior to drilling holes. First, the device must be installed with ports facing downward for the device to function properly and to prevent water accumulation inside. This is required for proper installation. Failure to do so will void the warranty. Second, check for hidden wires or pipes before drilling holes to avoid damage during installation. To mount the eero Outdoor 7 on Stucco, use the mounting bracket to mark the position of the mounting screws and make sure they are at the same height. Drill pilot holes, then insert the anchors. Pilot holes should be 9/64" size for the provided anchors and screws. Once the anchors are tapped in, use the screws to attach the bracket to the wall. Next, lower the eero Outdoor 7 onto the bracket. When lowered to its correct spot, it should click securely into place. If you're making a wired connection, assemble the M22 connector around the Ethernet cable with the ridge of the seal facing the sealing nut. Then connect the Ethernet cable. Hand tighten the connector until sealed against the eero Outdoor 7, and finally the sealing nut, confirming that both sides of the M22 connector are sealed. If you're connecting to your network wirelessly, plug in the AC adapter to your Outdoor 7. Hand tighten the connector until sealed against the eero Outdoor 7, and finally the sealing nut, confirming that both sides of the M22 connector are sealed. Once it's completely closed around the cable and your eero is powered on, you're all set and can now enjoy your Wi-Fi outside.